Kawasaki 1400 GTR has long been a standout in the sport touring segment, and the 2026 model takes this iconic motorcycle to new heights. With a refined design, upgraded performance, and modern technology, the 2026 Kawasaki 1400 GTR continues to set the standard for long distance riders seeking a combination of comfort, speed, and handling. In this video, we're going to dive deep into what makes the 2026 GTR a true masterpiece for riders who demand the best of both worlds. The legacy of the Kawasaki 1400 GTR. Before we get into the 2026 model, let's take a moment to appreciate the legacy of the Kawasaki 1400 GTR. First introduced in 2007, this bike quickly earned its place as one of the top sport touring motorcycles on the market. Known for its high-performance engine, long-distance comfort, and sporty dynamics, the GTR became a favorite for riders who wanted a bike that could deliver both track-level excitement and all-day riding comfort. The 2026 model stays true to that legacy while incorporating modern features that appeal to today's riders. Engine and performance. The 2026 Kawasaki 1400 GTR is its legendary 1,400 cubic centimeters inline-four engine. Known for its smooth power delivery and immense torque, the engine is tuned to provide strong low-end performance, perfect for long-distance cruising. The 2026 model has been upgraded to meet modern emission standards while maintaining the signature power band that GTR riders love. The engine delivers power effortlessly, with enough grunt for high-speed overtakes and smooth cruising on highways, making it the perfect blend of performance and efficiency. Design evolution. More aggressive and refined. The 2026 Kawasaki 1400 GTR features a design evolution that is both aggressive and refined. The aerodynamic bodywork is sleek, with a sculpted front fairing, sharp lines, and an imposing presence on the road. The full LED lighting setup not only looks modern but improves visibility at night. Kawasaki has also worked on reducing the overall weight of the bike, using lightweight materials for the frame and body panels without compromising strength or rigidity. The result is a sport touring bike that looks fast even when it's standing still. Transmission and gear shifting. Precise and effortless. The transmission on the 2026 Kawasaki 1400 GTR is a 6-speed unit that provides smooth and precise gear shifts, whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling twisty back roads. The clutch has been refined to reduce effort and make shifting even more seamless. The gear ratios are perfectly matched to the engine's power delivery, allowing for effortless acceleration and controlled deceleration. Kawasaki has also added an upgraded quick shifter for more advanced riders who want to shift at higher speeds without using the clutch, enhancing the bike's performance during spirited riding, chassis, and handling. A balanced ride. One of the standout features of the 2026 Kawasaki 1400 GTR is its handling. Despite its large size, the GTR feels surprisingly agile, with a well-balanced chassis that offers stability and control, whether you're on tight corners or long straights. The suspension system is fully adjustable, allowing riders to fine-tune it to their preferences. The front forks are inverted telescopic units, while the rear features a monoshock setup, both designed to absorb bumps and maintain stability. This ensures a smooth ride across all road conditions, making it a fantastic touring bike while still being responsive enough to tackle twisty roads with ease. Suspension setup and comfort. Built for long rides. The suspension of the 2026 GTR has been upgraded to enhance long-distance comfort without compromising on sportiness. The fully adjustable front and rear suspension allow riders to fine-tune their setup based on personal preferences, weight, and riding conditions. Whether you're on a multi-day journey or a weekend ride, the suspension keeps you comfortable by absorbing the shock of rough patches, uneven surfaces, and potholes. It also keeps the bike planted during high-speed cruising, providing confidence and stability throughout the ride. Braking system. Powerful and reliable. When it comes to stopping power, the 2026 Kawasaki 1400 GTR is equipped with an advanced braking system. Dual front disc brakes paired with a single rear disc offer exceptional stopping power, while the sophisticated ABS system ensures maximum control during emergency braking situations. The brakes are tuned to be progressive and responsive, allowing for precise control, whether you're slowing down for a tight corner or stopping at a light after a long highway run. The braking system ensures that, even with the heavy performance of the GTR, you'll always have the confidence to handle any situation. Technology and features: a modern touring machine. Kawasaki has equipped the 2026 GTR with all the modern technology you'd expect from a premium sport touring machine. The new TFT display is clear and informative, providing real-time data such as speed, engine temperature, gear position, and trip information. Riders also have access to multiple riding modes, which adjust the bike's performance characteristics based on their preferences. This includes adjusting throttle response, engine braking, and power delivery for different road conditions. The addition of cruise control makes long-distance riding even more enjoyable, while the updated traction control system ensures that the GTR performs optimally, regardless of weather or road conditions. Ergonomics and comfort for long journeys. Kawasaki has always been known for its rider-centric design, and the 2026 GTR is no exception. The seat is comfortable and well-cushioned, with enough support to allow riders to spend hours in the saddle without feeling fatigued. The handlebars are positioned for a relaxed, upright riding posture, perfect for long touring rides. Adjustable wind protection from the front fairing helps reduce rider fatigue, especially when riding at high speeds or in adverse weather conditions. The footpeg placement is designed for comfort, with a relaxed stance that doesn't put undue strain on the legs or knees, making long rides more enjoyable. Touring capability: a true all-rounder. The 2026 Kawasaki 1400 GTR is designed to excel in touring conditions. It comes equipped with large saddlebags that offer ample storage space for long-distance travel. The bags are easy to remove and attach, providing flexibility for riders who may want to take the bike on a day trip or pack it up for a longer adventure. The bike also features a solid and reliable electrical system that powers heated grips and a range of other touring-specific accessories. For riders looking to explore the open road, the GTR is a top choice, offering a premium combination of performance, comfort, and practicality. Fuel efficiency and range go the distance. Despite its size and power, the 2026 Kawasaki 1400 GTR remains surprisingly fuel efficient, thanks to its refined engine, aerodynamic design, and optimized fuel injection system.